Hey guys, today we're gonna make a cheese and pineapple hedgehog. It's a retro party food. You're gonna enjoy it, unless you're allergic to cheese. Before we start, please like, share and subscribe. To make the hedgehog, we need an orange, some pineapple, cheddar cheese, a cherry, and some cocktail sticks or toothpicks. And they're just for show. First, cut a small slice from one end of the orange. Then take your toothpicks or cocktail sticks and take one of the pineapples on it and then one of the cheddar cheese. Then stick it into the orange. And stick it all over the orange until they look like a
hedgehog.
Six and a half hours later.
Cut a toothpick in half and a cherry too. Take the toothpicks and put it into the orange. And then take the cherries and stick them onto the toothpick. Both of them. Like this. It looks like a hedgehog. You can also stick a nose into it if you want. Oh my. Like this. Kinda looks like a dog now. So that's how you make the hedgehog. If you want to know where I got the recipe from, it's from this book. It's a ladybird book. My mom got it when she was in school. If you actually have the book, it's page 36. I couldn't resist. It's nearly over. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, are you still recording? And some toothpicks or cocktail sticks.